Hi, this is Shankar. Today my class is BODMAS rule, V BODMAS. This video is useful for primary and upper primary class students. Here this is a very important topic while we are going to the simplification in mathematics. Here V BODMAS, I am going to explain each term. V stands for Vinculum. Here B stands for bracket. Here O stands for off. Nothing but multiplication. Sometimes we are using powers. Here D stands for division. Division is nothing but a repeated subtraction is called as a division. M stands for multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition is called as a multiplication. This is A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Here vinculum means first any simplification part we are going to solve. The first we are taking vinculum means bar. This is vinculum is nothing but bar. This is called as a bar. Suppose 3 plus 1 over this numbers keeping bar. This symbol is called as a vinculum symbol. Here the second one is B. B stands for bracket. Brackets are many types. The first one is called as a parenthesis bracket. The second one is curly bracket. The third one is called as a square bracket. This is parenthesis bracket. This is a curly bracket. This is a square bracket. Depend on while we are taking situation, while we are solving that problem, taking orderly, we are taking brackets. Here O stands for off. O stands for off. Here sometimes we are using multiplication, sometimes we are using powers also. Here D stands for division. Here M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Suppose I am taking one example through. I am going to explain BODMAS rule. 25 into 1 plus 5 divided by 5 minus half. Open the curly bracket. 5 plus 4 minus, again open the parenthesis bracket. Here 3 plus 2 minus, here 1 plus 3. This is a vernaculum. This is V bar. Close the parenthesis bracket. Again curly bracket. Here minus 1. Here the first one is V. V, I am going to clear the V. Here 1 plus 3 is nothing but, here 1 plus 3 is nothing but, here 4. This directly I am writing 4. And V is over, the bracket, next is bracket. Two brackets is there. Which bracket we are going to solve or clear the first one means, inside the bracket we are going to solve the first bracket. Here this is the first bracket. Here 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. This is minus 4. 5 minus 4 is plus 1. I am removing this parenthesis bracket. This value is 1. Here I am simplifying. Here again close the curly bracket. Here minus 1. Here this is one parenthesis bracket is over. The next bracket is, or rest of the bracket is curly bracket. Here I am solving right now. 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8. Here this value is 2 of 8. 2 of 8. Here minus 1. I am keeping minus 1. Here bracket is over, off I am going to. Here 2 ones are 2 fours are. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Here 25 into 1 plus 5 divided by 5 minus, this is 4 minus 1. Here next division, this value is a division. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Here 25 into 1 plus, here 5 divided by 5 means 1 only. The rest of the terms I am keeping same, minus 4 minus 1. Here is equal to, next one is division. Division is over. Next multiplication, 25 into 1, 25. Here next one is, here plus 1 is there. Here minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1. Here multiplication is over. Next addition. Here plus values means 25 plus 1 means 26. Here negative means subtraction, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Here what is this value? 26 minus 5, 21. This is the BODMAS. First of all we are going to clear V, B, O, D, M, A, S. Thank you.